Morning student, myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study about the converse of a cyclic quadrilateral theorem. If a pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is supplementary, the quadrilateral is a cyclic. See the activity given. A circle with center O, chord AB and chord CD intersect at point E inside the circle. Intersect at point P inside the circle. To prove angle CPB, this angle CPB equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AD, this arc AD plus measure of arc CB. Construction: draw segment BD. Angle ABD equal to angle ABD, this angle which is a intercepted angle, inscribed angle. This ABD is a inscribed angle. Angle ABD equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AD. Equation number 1, inscribed angle theorem. Then angle CDB, this angle CDB also inscribed angle, then equal to measure of arc CB, this arc CB. Then angle CPB is an exterior angle of triangle PDB. This triangle PDB, for this triangle, this angle CPB is an exterior angle. So we can write down here angle CPB equal to angle PBD plus angle PDB, means this angle equal to this angle plus this angle. That is the remote interior angle theorem. Then angle CPB equal to angle ABD. Firstly we write down PBD, that angle is named same as ABD, same angle but name is different. Angle CPB equal to angle ABD plus angle CDB, this angle also. Firstly we write down here PDB, then we write down this angle name again CDB, that angle is same but name is different because this point lie on the same PB, A lie on the PB also, and this C lie on this PD. The angle CPB equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AD. Now this measure of this angle is 1 by 2 measure of arc AD. So write down here from equation 1 and equation 2, write down these two measure of arc, 1 by 2 measure of arc AD plus measure of 1 by 2 measure of arc CB from equation 1 and 2, because this angle measure is half of this measure of arc. Then angle CPB equal to, take common from this 2, 1 by 2 in square bracket, measure of arc AD plus measure of arc CB. See, the activity is completed. To prove that measure of angle CPB equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AD plus measure of arc CB. Then see the another activities given. A circle with center O, line AB intersect the circle at points A and B. Line AB, this line AB intersect the circle at point A and B. Line CD intersect the circle at point CD. This line CD intersect the circle at point C and D. Line AB and CD intersect at point P. This line AB, this line CD intersect each other at point P, which is outside the circle. To prove that angle APC equal to 1 by 2 in square bracket measure of arc AC minus measure of arc BD, square bracket completed. Construction: draw segment BC. Draw this segment BC. The angle ABC, see the angle ABC, which is inscribed angle equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AC. Angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AC, equation number 1, inscribed angle theorem. Then see the angle BCD. BCD means this angle is also inscribed angle. Then we write down measure of angle BCD equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc BD. Equation number 2, inscribed angle theorem. The angle ABC is an exterior angle of triangle BPC. For this triangle, this angle is exterior angle. Then we write down angle ABC equal to angle BPC plus angle BCP, means measure of this angle equal to sum of these two angle measure. Remote interior angle theorem. Then angle ABC equal to angle APC, this angle BPC. For that, for this angle we write down here APC, means only name change, the name, angle is not changed. Angle ABC equal to angle APC plus angle BCP. BCP च्या ऐवजी काय करायचं BCD. Now sum of these two angle, then angle ABC equal to, see here we write down angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AC. Then write down the value of measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AC equal to this angle as it is angle APC plus measure of this angle BCD equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc BD. From this equation 1 and 2 we write down these two measures of the arc. Then angle APC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AC minus measure of arc 1 by 2 measure of arc BD. Then take 1/2 common from these two, 1 by 2 in square bracket measure of arc AC minus measure of arc BD. In this way we prove that the angle APC equal to 1 by 2 in square bracket measure of arc AC minus measure of arc BD. Now this angle APC intersect these two arc, means measure of this angle equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 into in bracket difference of the measure of these two arc. Now in this way we prove that the second activity is also. Good day, goodbye, okay.